Hey there, botany enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of plants anatomy, specifically looking at the sections of Dicot and Monocot stems and roots. You might think stems and roots? How exciting can that be? Trust me, it's more intriguing than you'd imagine. First off, let's break down the basics. Monocots and dicots are two major classifications of flowering plants. Monocots, like grasses and lilies, have one seed leaf, while dicots, like roses and sunflowers, have two. This difference is crucial because it influences the structure of the plant's stem and root. In monocot stems, you'll notice that vascular bundles, those crucial channels for water and nutrient transportation, are scattered throughout. Think of it as a chaotic yet efficient network. On the other hand, dicot stems have vascular bundles neatly arranged in a ring. It's like a well-organized highway system, making it easier for the plant to grow thicker and stronger. Now let's dig into the roots. Monocot roots generally have a fibrous structure. Imagine a dense network of roots spreading out evenly, perfect for anchoring the plant and absorbing nutrients from a wide area. Dicots, however, typically develop a primary root or taproot system. This means one main root grows deep into the soil, with smaller lateral roots branching off. It's ideal for accessing water and nutrients from deeper layers. Why does this matter? Well, understanding these structural differences is key to mastering plant physiology and can significantly impact how you approach gardening, agriculture, or even ecological conservation. So next time you're out in the garden or greenhouse, take a closer look at those stems and roots. Look there. You'll appreciate the hidden complexities that make each plant unique. Thanks for joining me in this botanical adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more plant insights. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.